You're having a couple of friends over for dinner this evening and would like to fix something delicious as well as crowd pleasing. Well, we got you covered here. The Side Guy cooks with Caribbean Braised Oxtails. So let's get started. Let's create the marinade. Let's add the oxtails. Let's build the dish. Set the timer for 3 hours. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Oxtails can be traced back for several centuries and are used in cuisines around the world. They are also cut from the tail of the cow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. They look great right out of the oven. Let's get a portion with rice on a plate. The oxtails were braised perfectly and the combination of Caribbean flavors creates a wonderful depth of flavor. Post your comments and or questions below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like dinner's ready. Stay with us, watch another video.